One of the industry partners we have is a international company called Dassault Systèmes. They provide a lot of engineering tools and platforms for doing some of this medical science research. So we have an entire lab dedicated to their platform, and they provide some guidance, some curricula about using their tools. The tools are very well regarded in the industry in certain sectors of engineering. Some other industry relationships, we've placed students, for example, at top tech companies, especially the ones with a presence in New York, such as Google, which has a big office in New York City. And I think there have been students at lots of the financial companies that are based in New York, for example, the Chase Bank or Capital One, and companies like this.